Imagine stepping into a lush forest. Sunlight filters through leaves, a gentle breeze stirs the air, and birdsong echoes all around. Studies reveal that spending time among trees can significantly enhance mental resilience. The sights, sounds, and even scents of forests lower stress hormones, calm racing thoughts, and foster emotional balance. Trees release compounds called phytoncides, which have been shown to boost mood and sharpen focus. Immersing yourself in nature's embrace helps you bounce back from challenges, leaving you recharged and mentally stronger.